Hi there everyone! So I have this aloe vera plant here. It's really very clearly outgrown its pot and it's having tons and tons of babies. So I just wanted to show you my process for repotting aloe vera. So the first thing I'm going to do is to completely take the whole plant out of its pot and basically look at the state of its root system, see if there's any rotted out bits that look black. And from first glance, it looks healthy. So I'm just gonna work through the roots and see how much dirt I can separate out and try to get this root ball apart so it's easier to work with the smaller pups. And I'm just very gently working my fingers through the root ball so I'm not disturbing it too much. I'm just trying to get the individual plants to come loose. So here's one pup. Look how cute it is, and this is ready to go into its own pot. I have a couple ready right here. So this was sort of the main plant, and I've separated all of the pups from it. And this leaf isn't looking so great, so I'm just going to tear it off. And then same over here, just cleaning it up a little bit before repotting it. So I'm going to fill a few pots with some growing medium or some soil. And then we're just going to arrange the pups in the pot. And you sort of have to, if they're tallish like mine, you sort of have to support them as you put the soil in so they don't fall over. Okay, there's one. So I'm just going to water these down a bit. Try to get the dirt out of the folds and leaves. And then, oops, sort of readjust them if they tip over like that. If the soil compacts down too much, just add some more. Well, thank you for watching. Somehow I managed to turn a single plant into like 7 new plants. I think they'd make good gifts for friends, but maybe that's just an excuse for me to have more plants. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.